Hello everybody, my name is Sum9 and welcome to ULTRAKILL. Today we're going to be trying to get the Slab Revolver instead of just going forward. Because, frankly enough, I want the Slab Revolver. Now, I've been watching a few videos just to see how to get it. Because I heard it was a thing. And if I remember correctly, I made a wish. Oh. What the hell? A secret mission? What is this? What? Alright. Okay. What is this, a puzzle? Alright, more puzzle. Wonderful. No? That? No. Ah, I see. Uh-huh, like that. Oh. Go around like this. Am I doing a CAPTCHA? Am I doing a CAPTCHA? Is that what this is? Oh, okay. Don't go there. Got it. No? Ah. No. What? Oh, okay. Oh, of course. Yes, you're not supposed to touch that. Okay. Yes, I don't know what I was doing for the past 10 minutes. Okay. Whoa. Hello. Up here. Now like that, yeah. Easy. What's this? Oh. Oh. What the hell? Ah, okay. Why is it getting darker? Okay. Oh. Okay. Testament 2. Failure after failure after failure after failure after failure after failure after failure. The results refuse to alter. Again and again and again and again and again and again and again. My faith begins to falter. That was nothing related to the fucking Slab Revolver! I just said, I want the answer to what just happened. You don't need to worry about it. It's done. I'll take that. Now we're gonna go over here, and we're gonna go kaboink. And there we go. Give me a gun, give me a pistol. Easy. Oh! Beautiful. Oh, man. That was absolutely filthy. Oh. Really? Okay. I can't zap them yet. Where's my pistol? Your ass is out of here, bro. Oh, thanks. That's fun. Now how do I get up here? That's how. Check this out. Oh. A mechanism is set in motion. That's fun. Oh man. Uh-oh. Yes, he's... Oh, now, if I remember correctly... Hello? Hello? Oh, it's one of these. Okay. Ready for this? Kapow! Why'd the music stop? Why'd the music stop? What? Why is it radioactive? Why is it radioactive? The cancerous rodents? Okay. Sorry, man. I'm sorry. You were highly cancerous. It was required. Where did I come from? Here. What? Die. Oh. I just killed cancer. So guys, I think I'm the cure for cancer. I'm not sure, but I'll just take that. I think I might be the cure for cancer right now. I just killed the cancerous rodent. You know that? I think that's... Owie! Pretty fun for me. Oh man, shotgun parrying is so good. I love it. So now we're... Wait. Whoa! Not dead. It's not dead. It's not... It's definitely not dead. What the hell? Get your bomb out of here, bro. Did I get it? I got it. Okay. Finally. I could really use somebody to rush for health right now. Oh, perfect. Never mind. Not very perfect. Give me your blood, please. Thank you for your generous donation. Definitely not a good idea, my friend. Is there anything else up here? Alright, I think that went well. I mean, I got the skull. I don't know where the door is. What is it, up there? It's up there, of course. Well, I think that was pretty good. Now, if I remember correctly, from what I saw... Oh, yeah. Alright. And now... On swords machines! Ah! Oh my god. Get out of here. Oh man. Alright. Somewhere in the depths of limbo, a mechanism is set in motion. Oh. Man, that was hard. It wasn't like hard, but that was still hard. I think I did pretty good on that. And now I have to fight this hideous fucking mask. Get out of here, you stupid, hideous mask. Oh, man. Ugh. We saw this last time, and I was confused about what it was. Good news, I'm no longer confused about what it was. Now, what is this? Wakey, wakey. It's V1. Oh. Lo and behold. Oh. The Slab Revolver. Alright. And now to face V2 with V2's arm. Hey, buddy. How are you? How are you this fine evening? Now, you see, I have not missed you in the slightest. Oh, man! Get out of here, you wimp! Get out of here! I already got one of those, sorry, man. Oh, man. So, quest complete. We got the Slab Revolver. I think that's pretty cool, so yeah. So, we got the Slab Revolver. Quest complete. Now I did absolutely shit on this level, obviously, as we can see. But my name's Sum9, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be progressing hopefully to whatever boss is next weekend, because I'm tired, I'm sick, and I'm under the weather. Bye bye!